Hey everyone, welcome to Discover and Learn. Guys, trust me, today I'm going to talk about a wonderful AI which has transformed my life. It has become a part of my life now. It has helped me so much to reduce my time and work that I can't tell you. So today I'm going to talk about this AI, and apart from that I'm going to talk about one more AI which has really helped me. So these both are a part of my life now, and I'm going to tell you how it can transform your life too. Make your life easy, simple, and enjoy your life. That is why you should start using AI. And I'm going to give you enough reasons which will help you to understand why AI is important and how you can use AI in your life to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Right? In my previous video, I have spoken about how you can use AIs, right? Today, I'm going to talk about specifically two AI which has really transformed my life. I am a big fan of one of them. So I'm going to discuss that with you. Why? And how it can become your favorite too. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay connected, stay tuned, and watch my entire video to master this skill. We all do multitasking every day. And at times we feel that, sometimes if somebody can help us, we had somebody who could have helped us with our task, so that it would have become easier for us to complete the task on time or save some time for ourselves, right? What if I tell you there is an app which will help you to save your time, energy, and give you more time for yourself, right? And in return, it will help you to achieve your goals faster as well. It is a very interesting app and it has a lot of scope, which means it can help you with multiple things. And I'm quite surprised with all of its features. I'm still exploring this app and there are lots more to know. So I'm talking about this first app which is called Copilot. It comes with Microsoft. It is Microsoft inbuilt app. I don't know if you can download it elsewhere as well. I'm not sure about it. You can just give it a try. Otherwise, Microsoft is there in everybody's mobile and laptop. So you can just, start using this app from there. It is very simple to use. Now, it has a chat mode and a voice mode as well. Okay, so you can chat with it and you can talk to it as well. It speaks as well. So that is one feature which I really like the most. So the first thing it helps you with is, so it's basically a search engine. Okay, you will find a search bar there and there is a Copilot logo there. So when you type something, the Copilot helps you to give the answers or helps you with all the information. And then further, whatever you need, it will help you with. So if you're reading an article there, if you're reading your email there, if you're having a team call or a team meeting on your laptop, what it does is it will give you a brief or a summary of that article if you want. It will ask you if you need a summary of that. It will help you with your emails also, what kind of email you need, what information you are searching for. If you are having a meeting, it will help you with a summary of the meeting. It will come up with the minutes of the meeting. And so on and so forth. Guys, you don't have to put in any effort to record it, register it, or keep it in your mind. Whenever you feel like, if you forgot something, what was there in that meeting or what I spoke about on my chat or on my email, you can immediately turn to Copilot and it will help you with all the necessary information. It is that simple, that easy, and that helpful. Okay, Apart from that, the first thing you can do is, if you want to speak on certain topics, you can write the topic and you can ask Copilot to help you with how to speak on that topic or give you suggestions on how you can speak on that topic. For example, I'm just showing you right away how I'm going to speak to Copilot on this. Hi, Copilot.
Wait, how about we work on some vocabulary or practice a conversation topic? All right, let's dive into a topic. How about we discuss travel? Tell me about a place you've visited or want to visit.
Hey, Copilot, I have another question for you.
Hit me with it.
Hi, can you please help me with how I can speak on environment?
Sure. When speaking on the environment, focus on clear, impactful points. Use statistics to back up your claims, but keep them simple. Engage your audience with stories or examples that make the issues relatable. Lastly, offer solutions or actions they can take. Got it?
Yes, absolutely. Any other idea if you can help me with?
Yeah. For more impact, compare local and global environmental issues, showing how interconnected we are. Use visuals or props to illustrate your points. And remember, end with a strong call to action to leave a lasting impression.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay. So see, I've just asked about environment and it gave me suggestions on how to talk on environment. You can be more specific also. You can just ask what examples I can give, what illustrations I can give, or what solutions I can give. You can speak about it. I didn't want to take much time to speak on one thing only because I have to, show you other aspects of Copilot as well. So that is why I limited myself to that. So you can ask questions on that as well. Okay, which will help you to understand the whole idea of what exactly to speak about on that topic. Okay, so this is first thing. Second is, what you can do is you can just start having a conversation with Copilot on any topic. Okay, for example, like I'll just start a conversation on environment with Copilot.
So Nusrat, what's on your mind today?
Well, I just want to talk to you about environmental change.
Great topic. How about we dive into the effects of climate change in Maharashtra?
Sure, why not?
Well, Maharashtra faces more extreme weather events like heavier rainfalls and longer droughts, impacting agriculture and water resources. It's a serious situation that needs our attention.
Exactly. And I feel that there's a lot of temperature difference also during day, at night as well. And that is leading to a lot of, viral and infectious diseases as well. Don't you think so?
Yes, temperature fluctuations can weaken immune systems, making people more susceptible to illnesses. Plus, the spread of vector-borne diseases like dengue and malaria increases with warmer temperatures. It's a big challenge.
Exactly. And there are lots of rainfall as well here. And the sun is also very strong, which also leads to some skin allergies as well.
Right. Heavy rainfall can lead to mold growth and dampness, causing respiratory issues and allergies. It's a clear sign of how climate change directly affects public health.
Absolutely. Thanks a lot, Copilot. That was great help. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Nusrat. Anytime.
See, we spoke about environmental change. You can take any simple topic. You can talk about hobbies. You can talk about free time activities. You can talk about shopping experience. Anything else, whatever you want to talk about. You can talk about a picnic or a school life or a college life. Anything, everything. So take up a topic, or if you don't have a topic, you can ask Copilot to suggest you a topic and it will speak to you in English. It will help you to speak to you about or on that topic as well. So that is a great advantage. It is helping you. It has become your tutor. It has become your speaking partner. And of course, it has an accent as well. You are not talking to somebody who has an Indian accent. You're talking to somebody who has a foreign accent, which will help you to understand the language also, the accents also. It has multiple advantages, guys. Trust me on this. Start using this to practice your English speaking, and you will really improve a lot on your English speaking skills. You will learn a lot. You can practice vocabulary sessions, you can practice pronunciation sessions, you can also practice your writing skills here. You can write a paragraph or you can write a script, and you can just ask Copilot to correct that with reasoning. So it will correct you, will give proper reasons. It will help you to know why you were wrong or what was wrong in that sentence. It will help you to improve on your sentence structure, sentence construction as well. There are lots of advantages of using Copilot, guys, and it is very easily accessible and it is free of cost. I love this AI. And I am really having a great time with this AI. It has helped me to lessen my burden, and it has helped me to get more time to do other things. Whatever research I do, whatever script I read, it helps me to understand it completely with examples, with simplification. Simplifies everything for me, and it will do for you as well. You saw that I practiced English speaking. I asked for topics and how to speak on those topics. You can ask for vocabulary sessions or pronunciation sessions. You can also ask for some puzzles or crosswords in English or whatever, any activity which you can do, which will help you to improve on your English grammar portion or English grammar as well. You can ask some grammar lessons. You can ask about some grammar lessons also to explain it to you. So these are the uses of Copilot which you can use for your advantage to improve on your communication skills and to improve on your English language skills and improve on your English skills. Okay, so grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking practice, writing practice, and how to speak on a topic. Everything is there in one place. You don't have to go to any other app. You don't have to use any other AI. This is one which can help you with everything. This is like ChatGPT, but I feel this is much better than ChatGPT. This is my personal feeling because I have multiple uses for it. So I use it every day. So try using this and you will see the difference, guys. I have shown you the examples as well here. Apart from this, there's another app which I'm going to talk to you about, which is very commonly available. That is why I just pick up very common apps which you don't have to go and download it, or you have to pay something, or you have to get some free versions, and then you have to just make sure that you can use that version only. You have limited use, and they're very limited use on free versions also. So I don't go for that. That is why I have come up with these two apps which will help you, which is free of cost and it has multiple uses and it can help you in many ways. So the other one is Gemini. The only disadvantage for Gemini here is it doesn't have a voice mode, right? It doesn't talk to you basically, but rest other things it does. You can do everything with Gemini. Gemini is by Google. Okay, so it is there on your phone. You don't have to download it or you don't have to install it. It is there. You can directly, whenever you search on this, whenever you put something on the search bar, you search anything on the search bar, Gemini will give all the transcript, like, it will search from different pages and it will give you a AI generated answer. Okay, so that is what. So whatever you have question in your mind, like how do I talk on this topic? What does this mean? How is this pronunciation? Or, whether my script is right or wrong? All these answers it can give. So Gemini is also a very powerful tool. You can search for a lot of activities here. Like if you want to search for some crosswords in English, to improve your English, you want to search for crosswords or puzzles or any, other grammar activities, it will give you a list of activities. It will give you links also which you can click and you can go through and you can work on it. Okay, so for exercises also, activities also, you can go to Gemini and you can get help. You don't have to search, previously what we used to do, we used to put it on Google. It gives a lot of suggestions and we have to click on every link and see what is the best for us. Here it will give you all the suggestions in one, and you can just go and start working on it. So that has become much easier now. So this you can do all your practice sessions and all your activity sessions here on Gemini. You can directly ask Gemini to help you with the practice sessions and activity sessions to improve your grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. So these three things you can sit and work on your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Apart from that, of course, you can get help on certain topics, like what I can speak on this topic. So any topic, if it comes to your mind, you can just type it there and ask for suggestions or ideas. It will give you ideas and you can just start speaking on it. It is as simple as that, right? So this is also how Gemini can help you with. Apart from that, whatever you want to ask Gemini, you can ask for a study routine or what you can do to improve your English, or what stage you are in, whatever questions you have while speaking in English, while you are going through your English fluency journey. We have a lot of questions, right? That is why we look for a tutor, we look for a coaching institute, we look for an online course, so that our questions and queries should be solved. That is why we look for these kind of things, right? So whatever questions comes to you, and you can immediately write it and get the answer. You can get an answer from Copilot also and Gemini also. And it will definitely help you to be confident and be positive and motivated while you're speaking during your journey. So this is the advantage of using Copilot and Gemini. These are two most easily available, free of cost, accessible AIs available on your phone and your laptop, which can change your life. It has changed my life. It has transformed my life. It has given me a lot of hands, right? Trust me on this. I don't have to do everything on my own now. If it takes half an hour for me to do work on a task, it takes 15-20 minutes now. Okay, so I'm saving some time and energy there. And things are very quick as well. Things have become quick. It will help you also to become quick, and of course it will help you to be more focused and help you to achieve your target soon. Okay, so try using these both apps and let me know in the comment section, what do you feel about it? Did it work for you? Well, I'm sure it will. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.